The Honeywell Cool Moisture Humidifier is best utilized for small to medium-sized rooms. This humidifier comes programmed with 2 separate moisture output levels. The inclusion of an antimicrobial treated filter captures impurities in the water, and the translucent tank helps you monitor the water level so you know when it's time to refill. The automatic moisture balance system helps maintain optimal humidity levels, and with the 0.8-gallon tank, it can run for up to 12 uninterrupted hours per filling. The Honeywell Cool Moisture Humidifier comes with a 3-year limited warranty. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.